guys, today I'm gonna be making a cardboard gun and testing it out. Make sure to like and subscribe. Yes. Okay, first I made these tubes. I also taped hanger clips on them. And I also made where the rubber band is gonna go. Okay. Then we are gonna connect this tube onto here, and make it like this. I'm gonna also add this spike, which is very spiky because it is a spike that is very spiky, onto the gun, so it looks more realistic. Smile. Okay. Ay. Okay. Next is this is a glue gun. I am old enough to use it. Because I told my dad I can. Okay. So we're gonna add this to here. Okay, I activated the glue gun, guys. So I'm gonna glue the plastic onto the glue gun. Okay, it's on now. Is it working? I'm putting it on, it doesn't work, I think. It needs to heat up a little bit. It's plugged in, guys. Okay, it's heating up a bit now. I'm gonna discuss what we are gonna do. I'm gonna connect these parts onto here, and maybe here. Then it's gonna look like this. Here, yes, I'm gonna put that here, so I can fire cardboard things easily. Okay, I think the glue gun is ready now. Speed. It's heating up a bit, so we'll just wait. Time lapse. I will tell you a joke. What do you call a bear with no teeth? Gummy bear. Next joke is, what do you call a bear with no ears? A bee. Please subscribe. What do you call a bear living on water? Water. Get it? Because it has bee in it. Blue water. Did you know that when you eat vegetables, you don't poop it out? It passes through like gas, which makes you fart. I think it's what makes poop. So it what makes fart stinky. The fart. Pretty cool. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Just wait. Isa din billion. Is it even on? I can feel it heating up, but it's not working. Okay, I'm gonna cut the video here. Okay, 3, 2, 1, cut. Hi guys, I continued the gun while you were gone because it was very hard and I am now cooling the second attempt guys because it was wrong. Okay, this has glue on it. We're gonna put it on right now. The right way. So we're gonna hold that until it's ready. Next is the other part, the spiky thing. This is spiky because it's spiky, that's why it's spiky. On here. Gonna. Okay, we're gonna put glue on this part. Okay, now we need to let it cool. We are letting it cool because I'm cool. Okay. That is background. My background is actually a green screen. This is very high quality green screen. I can even touch the green screen. Okay, after letting it sit, it is finally ready. We can test it. Cut. Okay guys, the weapon is already done. Okay, so I'm gonna add the rubber band. Okay. It's gonna stretch. This it. Okay guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Smash the like button.